Sanbonani family. I hope niyaphila. I hope everything is well. On my side, all is well. Today, we're doing this video. We're going to be dealing with chapter 3 of the basic conditions of employment, which is about the leave. Right? The leave. All right. Application of this chapter. This chapter does not apply to an employee who works less than 24 hours a month for an employer. Number 2, unless an agreement provides otherwise, this chapter does not apply to leave granted to an employee in excess of the employee's entitlement under this chapter. Okay, then let's deal with annual leave. Number 1, in this chapter, annual leave cycle means the period of 12 months employment with the same employer immediately following an employee's commencement of employment or the completion of that employee's prior leave cycle. Number 2,